This 2026 Grand Design Imagine XLS 21 MBE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, Slideout, water heater, smoke detector, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, LP detector, oven, microwave, skylight, TV, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Imagine XLS 21 MBE is 5,334 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.